As a Nigerian living and working in Japan, one thing I don't joke with is my Nigerian food, because how do I even survive without Nigerian food? Problem go deal. Anyways, make 6 pots of authentic Nigerian food with me, and the first thing I'll be making today is fisherman soup. So first I added my pomo and fish in the pot, added my spices and allowed it to boil for a minute before adding extra water. And then I went in with the seafood proper, shrimp, prawns, squid, everything, just add it in, then allow it to boil for some minutes. And after that I set aside some stock and seafood, because the next recipe I'll be making is also a seafood recipe. Then I added my pepper, crayfish and seasoning, added my oil, covered it and allowed it to boil for some minutes. Then I added ofo to thicken the soup. I also added some ear mushrooms, and then I added my periwinkles, stirred it together, and then I brought back the fish that I set aside earlier. Then I added my uziza leaf. I used dried uziza because I don't have fresh one. I stirred everything together, covered it and allowed it to boil, and the soup is ready. Next thing I'll be making is seafood okra, and because I already boiled my seafood, I just went in with my palm oil, added my roughly blended onion and pepper, fried everything together, added my seasoning, crayfish and the blended okra. And after that I added my seafood, mixed everything together, added a little bit of the stock, covered it, allowed it to boil, and then I added the fish that I set aside earlier, mixed everything together, and then I add my chopped okra, added my periwinkles, added my vegetables. I used ugu and a little bit of uziza, mixed everything together, made sure that everything was well incorporated, covered it, allowed it to boil, and the soup is ready. This soup came out so well. The next food I'll be making is Afang soup. For this recipe I'll be using cow leg, which I already cooked earlier, beef tripe and the bones. Well, I added the seasoning, pepper, mixed everything together, and then allowed it to boil for a little while. Then I introduced the stock from the cow leg that I cooked before, covered it and allowed it to boil. Now I added my crayfish and seasoning, added my oil, covered it, allowed it to boil very well, and at this point I added the dry fish because I didn't want the dry fish to break. Then I added my ear mushrooms, added the spinach, mixed everything together properly, and then I added another crayfish, added blended afang, added a little bit of oil, stirred everything together, covered it and allowed it to cook properly. Then I now added the periwinkles, allowed it to cook for like a minute, and the soup is ready. The soup came out tasty, like really good. The next thing I'll be making is Ofeakwu, and for this recipe I'll be using goat meat, beef tripe and dry fish. In a pot I added the beef tripe and the goat meat, added seasoning, onion, added water, allowed it to cook for a while. Then I added the dry fish, covered it and allowed it to cook for a minute. Then I set it aside. Then added the palm fruit extract in a pot and used hot water to mix it together, allowed it to boil. Then I added the goat meat and the beef tripe first, allowed it to cook properly before adding the dried fish. I added my crayfish, seasoning, pepper, onion, allowed everything to cook before adding the scent leaf and the ugu. The soup is ready. The next thing I'll be cooking is porridge yam. My babe brought this yam for me when she came to my house. Thank you to my baby. And one thing I love about porridge yam is that it doesn't take time, especially if you're making it the local way. I just cut the yam, wash it, put it in a pot and add all the ingredients I need in cooking it: salt, seasoning, crayfish, pepper, dry fish, oil and a little bit of spring onions, and then allow everything to boil. Then I added uba, scent leaf and ugu, and my darlings, this porridge yam was so good. Well, the last thing I'll be making is jollof rice and grilled chicken. So I'll be using chicken for this recipe. I added the chicken in the pot, added the seasoning, a little bit of soy sauce, pepper, onions, mixed everything together, allowed it to boil for a little while, then added water and then allowed it to cook properly. Popped that into the griller and then went into the jollof rice cooking. First I added my spiced oil into the pot, added my onion, sauteed it for a little while. Then I added my paste tomato. This is Gino Party Jollof paste. Then I added my pepper and onion mix, added my seasoning, mixed everything together. Then I went in with my washed basmati rice, mixed everything together, covered it and allowed it to cook. And at this point, my grilled chicken was ready, and before you know it, my jollof rice was ready. The jollof rice was so good. Anyways, 9 hours later, and this is everything I made: fisherman soup, seafood okra, afang soup, Ofeakwu, porridge yam and jollof rice. Thank you so much for watching my video. I love you. Bye.